The thing that's special about Notre Dame athletics is the rich history of success here, the tradition of excellence.
There's so much lore and history and tradition on this campus.
Notre Dame attracts a certain type of individual, and that's the greatest part about this place. It's not one program, it's not one class, it's not one person, it's the collective group of people.
We are so blessed at Notre Dame to have practitioners and elite sports medicine specialists to take care of our orthopedic needs.
Really, it's an amazing thing for our group to have, the opportunity to be associated with this university.
We're partners. We have to work together. I can't have a vision as a coach and the athletic training staff have a completely different vision. We truly work together, and ultimately we want to do what's best for the young people that we get a chance to lead.
You become part of family when you have a great partnership in the way that we have with Bend Orthopaedics, and they're just phenomenal. They're excellent at what they do. They're super supportive of our sports teams, and we wouldn't be able to do what we do without having a great team around us.
I think Bend Orthopaedics and the relationship with Notre Dame being so long and greater than 75 years is just a testament to both places trusting each other.
I've always said that trust is earned through consistency, and trust is earned over time. And when you think about a partnership between Bend Orthopaedics and Notre Dame football for over 75 years, to me there's a lot of trust built. And there's a lot of similar mindsets in terms of both organizations trying to be the best at what they do.
Through the years it's grown. Bend Orthopaedics has grown exponentially. Notre Dame has grown exponentially in so many ways, and that partnership has just gotten stronger. The Bend Orthopedic physicians have continued to provide the most high-quality health care they can for the student.
The opportunity to experience and take care of some of those kids that are going through the injuries in the same sports that I participated in several decades ago is fulfilling. And to understand that they too are going to get older one day, and their injuries at age 19 and 20, let's try to care for them in a proper way so that they don't have issues when they're 30 or 40 years old.
Unfortunately, injuries are a part of sports, and so making sure that you have the best doctors, the right facilities, the right care is really extremely important for the health of a team and for the success of a team.
Notre Dame has a tremendous staff involving their athletic trainers and their primary care sports medicine guys. And the communication between the athlete, the employees here at Notre Dame, and ourselves are all really vital in order to get kids back on the field as fast as we can.
What we try to do is create an environment where they feel loved and cared for while providing top-notch sports medicine care.
These young people have amazing drive and they want to get back out there, and they're able to do it, and then to see them achieve that and get through the procedure and then get out and play at a high level and thrive is really an amazing experience.
At the end of the day, you're working with some really great people, some great student athletes that are really committed to what they're doing. It's a real joy to be part of what they're trying to accomplish in their lives, not only on the field, but in next steps past their athletic careers.
The most rewarding part of the job now is when a player who's maybe been gone for a year or two, they reach out and they just kind of say thanks. That hits home for me. That's really probably the most special part of it all.
It's a reflection of excellence, it's a reflection of trust, and I think the best is still yet to come.